Welcome back, guys, to another studio session. It's been a while since I've got to film, and that's neither here nor there. But what I'm going to be doing today is fixing mistakes. And before I get too far, remember this is unscripted, unedited, and unfiltered. And maybe first what I should do is figure out who is the winner of my contest. I will do that, and I will put it there in the link, and I'll also post it as a post. But what we're going to be doing in today's video is here, if you can see, I started this mosaic. This is the piece I'm using instead. I started this mosaic here, and I really liked how I had all these flowers made in circles, all these little small circles. And then when it came to the green, you can see how I started using square tiles, and I really don't like that. So if you ever make mistakes, it's really easy to fix them, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Hopefully you can hear me better. My microphones, my little lavalier mics that I had stopped working, so I've gotten this mic here, and hopefully this works a bit better. And I hope it works better. So let me give you a better angle of what's going on here and how I'm going to fix it. Let's go. All right, so you guys can see the mistake that I made here really was I started putting square pieces of green in, and I don't like them. I don't like the way it looks. I like how everything here has some sort of shape and consistency. All these little flowers here that I put in are all round, and I feel like these squares don't really match. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to get rid of these. And what am I going to replace them with? I bought a bunch of green tiles in different shades. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, buddy, those are squares. But what I'm going to do is first sort them into shades. I really like these dark ones, and I wish I had more dark ones when I had started this, but I don't. And so I ordered these new tiles, and I've got a ton of these. I've got 5 more bags of these sitting behind me. And the reason I got these square ones, you can see it's really easy to turn these squares into a circle. So I'll just show you really quickly here. I'm just cutting off the edges. And you take off the sharp edges there, and give it a couple of little trims, and just like that, you got yourself a little rough circle. It's the same way I did all these tiles here. And what I want to do is replace these squares. Yeah, I mean, that already looks better. Having a circle in, I think it fits nicer, and it's going to look better with circles versus these squares. So that's what I'm going to do with all of these pieces here, is cut these into little circles. Well, sort them and then circle them, or just start cutting. But first, how am I going to get rid of these? So I glued these on with that B7000 glue that I use all the time. And this has been dry for a while now, and I'm telling you, this is just to show you how good that glue is. Like, this is not going to come off. So there's 2 methods that I'm going to try here. One is with my handy dandy dental pick, and I can guarantee you that's going to work. Just want to be careful though, because this is sharp, and yeah, just like that, it comes off. So this is very sharp, and I mean, it is going to take a minute. I won't bore you with taking all of it off. And we are back. All right. So you can see I took all these off. It took me about 10 minutes. I left some here in these little crevices here just to make it easier on me. One of the flowers came off too. And so now what I'm gonna do, and I also will pause the video and let you guys not witness it, but I'm just gonna go through these green tiles and take the dark ones, take all the darkest ones and put them in a pile, and take the lighter ones and put them in a different pile. And again, we got a square, and I'm just cutting off the edges of the square to make it more circular. I guess it's more of like an octagon, but in the world of my art, it's a circle enough. And if you don't like the way it looks, you can just keep cutting it and shaping it to make it look more of a circle. So let's begin with some dark grass here at the bottom just to get it going. And we'll just fill it in section by section. And just squish this glue around here. This glue is really good. I mean, it really took some effort trying to get it off with the pick. And here we go. Just like that, one at a time. And glue some dark. Got some variation in there, just so it's not all the same. There you go. Oops. Now again, this will probably be framed once it's finished, so I want to make sure that the edges of my tiles aren't sticking past the edge. And I've got a few different colors of tile, so I want to mix and match them in there, making sure not too many of the same color is sitting next to each to a similar color. And you can see this little gap here. That is why I kept my smaller little tiles, is so that I could the tiles that I removed, so that I can just take those and create a smaller little circle and place those in these little gaps, like so. Nice. Yeah, I already like the way that looks better than the squares. I feel like it fits the look of the grass and the look of everything else. Everything else is circular. There's not really squares other than the stems. So maybe I'll go around the edge here just to build up a nice little border. And that's gonna be the plan for the next little while here. Just cutting and placing these circles. So again, you don't have to watch this whole thing now. If you're here, that's great. But the purpose of me making this, showing you this part, is to show you that even if you make mistakes, you can go back and fix them. Using my little pick. Yeah, I mean, that already looks better. That already looks much better. So using your little pick, you just dig in and pop them out. Not so hard at all, just time consuming. But I'm definitely not doing mosaics to win races. It's a nice, slow, peaceful, time consuming task. So, and just like that, we'd start seeing it come together. Yeah, I like it. I'm glad I took those off and went with the circles. I mean, it seems like it fits better. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Put a little line of glue, like so, and just go about, oh, got some glass in my hand, lovely, and just go about adding my tiles. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys that have been subscribing and commenting now too. Starting to get some comments, which is cool. It's nice to hear what you guys think and to interact with you guys. I actually got some good ideas from one of my subscribers, Nicodemus, hollering out at you. He gave me some good ideas and some good questions. So I will be answering those questions and making videos on one of his questions. And I look forward to that. You know, it's good for me to hear what you guys have to say and any questions you have and ideas that you have and specific things you want to learn. And it seems like I need some more darker ones now. I need to make some darker circles. Nice, yeah, that looks so much better. I don't know if it shows on the camera. Yeah, it does. Yeah, this looks much better. I like the circles better than the squares. Felt like they just stuck out a little bit and it didn't really fit with what was happening here. And now it's looking better. So again, goes to show you can take off old pieces with a pick or tweezers if it's a softer glue and make changes. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this little studio session here, and I'm gonna just sit here and continue on, just filling this all up slowly but surely. And once I've filled up to this line here, where you see I've drawn the black with green, I'm gonna do the same thing with these blue tiles. They're same size, same sort of situation, except they're all blue, different shades of blue. And that's what I'm gonna do with the sky. Up here you can see where it's blue, blue, and blue. So this will all be sky, and this will all be the grass. So it's gonna take a while, but well worth it. This is gonna look amazing when it's finished, and I'm really excited to show you guys the finished piece. But as we know, mosaics aren't fast, and this will take time. So now if you're still listening, I am going to look through my list of subscribers. In fact, can I do that right now? No, I need to check on my laptop. So let's do that now. Okay guys, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a random subscriber, and how am I gonna do that? Well, the only way I know how, really. Here, if you look at my laptop screen, it has all of the subscribers that I have here, and the ones that are turned on. Some of you guys didn't turn your visibility on. So I can scroll up and down, and what I'm pretty much gonna do here right in front of you guys, I'm not even gonna look. Can I scroll up and down? Yes. So what I'm gonna do is scroll and then point, and then that's the person that's gonna win. Okay, so here we go. 5x7, anything you want, I'll send you a DM and I'll put it on the post. So let's, here we go, here we go, here we go, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. This person right here, that person right there. Uttam. Well, Uttam, U-T-T-A-M, I hope I'm saying that right. You're the winner. So I'm gonna send you a message, and if you so choose, I'll make you a mosaic and I'll send it to you wherever you are in the world. So, Uttam, you are the man here. So, I'll let you guys know. Hi friends, my videos are cool. Okay, it looks like he's also an artist here. So, shout out to Uttam, you've won the contest, and I will send you a message. Once I figure out how to do that, I'll message him. Well, I'll see you guys next week, and I'll continue on posting. My life is sort of clearing up now. There's a lot of stuff going on, but now everything's good. So let's just hope that this microphone is working the whole time, and that you enjoyed seeing me fix a bunch of mistakes. And until the next video, I've got a lot of cool things coming, some historical documentary style stuff, where you'll meet another character of mine. And yeah, I look forward to continue growing the channel. I'll see you guys in the video. And if I keep looking this way, it's because now I have a screen that I can see what my phone is seeing. So things are growing, things are growing. All right guys, we'll see you in the next video. See you later.